The man who deputies say was shot after he pulled a gun on law enforcement made his first court appearance today.
Jake Lieber is live to tell us why the judge set the bond even higher than the prosecutors had requested. He's got our top story.
Yeah, well, Brent and Natalie, Kenneth Frank Morehouse, this is what prosecutors say, has a previous domestic battery conviction on his record and technically couldn't own a weapon. So the judge set the bond at $500,000 and said he hopes Morehouse doesn't bail himself out. Ada County deputies say Kenneth Frank Morehouse was shot by law enforcement after being called out to this home near Hidden Springs by his wife, who feared for his safety. In his first court appearance, prosecutors say they think Morehouse was trying to commit suicide by cop.
When deputies approached defendant's wife, motioned to them to hurry. Deputies entered the home, heard the wife yelling, "Frank, no, Frank, no." Saw the defendant move from a standing position to a kneeling firing position with the gun drawn and pointed at a deputy.
Morehouse is the former CEO of Intermountain Gas. Prosecutors say he has a previous domestic battery conviction from last year, but his lawyers insist Morehouse is not a dangerous man.
One thing that I can assure the court is that he would never have hurt anyone that night. He certainly would never have shot at anyone else. He's not a violent man.
Prosecutors originally asked for a $150,000 bond, but the judge set it even higher.
Apparently, Mr. Morehouse was not supposed to have any weapons, yet he had a weapon. This was just a very scary situation, Mr. Morehouse.
Morehouse is charged with 2 felonies, aggravated assault and the use of a firearm or deadly weapon while performing a crime. The judge said that if Morehouse does bail himself out, he cannot contact his ex-wife except through court proceedings involving their divorce. But he also did say he'll probably reduce that bond here in the future. Now, the Critical Incident Task Force is investigating this officer-involved shooting. Live in Boise, Jake Lieber, KBOI 2 News.